Should pop-up coffee stands make homemade syrups? Yes, pop-up coffee stands should make homemade syrups when they can prepare them safely, consistently, and affordably. Homemade syrups can make a small coffee stand more special because they create flavors customers may not find at large chains. A syrup is usually made by heating sugar with water, then adding flavor from ingredients such as vanilla, cinnamon, fruit, herbs, or spices. The stand should use a tested recipe so every drink tastes the same, even when a different worker prepares it. A useful starting point is a 1-to-1 mixture of sugar and water, but thicker syrups can use more sugar and last longer when stored correctly. Fresh ingredients, clean containers, accurate labels, and refrigeration are important because homemade syrups can spoil. One detail many people do not know is that fresh fruit, dairy, and some herbs can shorten a syrup's safe storage time much more than plain sugar syrup. The stand should make small batches, write the preparation date on each container, and discard anything that smells strange, looks cloudy, or has mold. Owners should also calculate the cost of ingredients, labor, storage, and waste before deciding whether homemade syrup is truly cheaper. A common mistake is making large batches that sit too long, so prepare smaller amounts and set a clear discard date. Another mistake is changing the recipe from cup to cup, so measure ingredients carefully and record the exact method. Some people also assume sugar makes every syrup safe at room temperature, but sugar does not prevent all spoilage, especially when fruit or dairy is added, so refrigerate those syrups and follow local food safety rules. It is also easy to offer too many flavors, which slows service and creates waste, so begin with 2 or 3 popular choices and add more only when customers request them. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.